Okay, this is the first test with the BM-800 microphone, FLOUREON, whatever the name was. And now are directly connected with the computer, with the PC sound card, ASUS sound card. Check the sound. Attention, I hear nothing at all. I hear something without phantom power, directly to the sound card. Here we go, record now.
48 Hz, 24-bit stereo, and a very low sound. Now we are interrupting the recording to connect this Behringer MICROPOWER PS400 ultra compact phantom power supply. Just a second.
Now
we are recording with a phantom power. There's a huge difference, of course, with 48 volts like this. Let's try 12 volts. Now we're in 12 volts, 48. Okay, this is the first test. Of the microphone BM-800 FLOUREON. Okay. Okay. This is with microphone intention.
with intention microphone. That's weird. This sound is weird. I don't like it at all.
This must be strange stuff. There's a lot of background noise. I don't know why. Why the fuck is that thing?
More testing with the sponge on it.
We talk like this, and we talk like this.
You can choose the way you want to talk in 48 volts.
Now let's get to 12 volts. 12 volts.
Less background noise.
But maybe don't be so loud, motherfucker.
Alright, it's going to be a distorted signal. Let's get back to 48 volts in a minute. There's a lot of noise in 48 volts and low noise in 12 volts, like this. I think we're gonna stay in 12 volts, but first I'm going to read the manual to understand better which is the best for these mic recordings. Attention. Okay, let's do it.
Broadcasting and recording microphone. This is a professional condenser microphone which adopts the exactly complete electronic circuit control and gold plate diaphragm capsule. The microphone with a good cardioids, polar pickup pattern, high output, low self-noise and accurate reproduction of even the most supple sound. suitable especially for studios, recording studios, broadcasting stations, stage performance and computer. Absolutely fulfill the requirements of high quality for broadcasting and recording. This was 12 volts. Now let's record at 48 volts. Broadcasting and recording microphone. This is a professional condenser microphone which adopts the exacting complete electronic circuit control and gold plate diaphragm capsule. The microphone with a good cardioids polar pickup pattern, high output, low self-noise and accurate reproduction of even the most subtle sound. Suitable especially for studios, recording studios, broadcasting stations, stage performances and computer. Absolutely fulfill the requirement of high quality for broadcasting and recording. Check out.
Now we are recording with the BM-800 in 192,000 Hz 24-bit mono in 48 volts. Broadcasting and recording microphone. This is a professional condenser microphone which adopts the exacting complete electronic circuit control and gold plate diaphragm capsule. The microphone with the good cardioids, polar pickup pattern, high output, low self-noise and accurate reproduction of even the most subtle sound. Suitable especially for studios, recording studios, broadcasting stations, stage performances and computer. Absolutely fulfill the requirement of high quality for broadcasting and recording. Here we go. Testing, here we go. After a few recordings with this mic, I noticed a permanent hiss background noise. First I was thinking this was normal and could not appear in recordings, but unfortunately I was wrong. Now finally I got the BM-800 microphone working without the hiss noise. I found it strange, and after several unsuccessful attempts to take this noise background out, I decided to try to power up the Behringer MICROPOWER PS400 ultra compact phantom power supply with less voltage. Instead of 12 volts, I tried to power it up with only 4 volts or so, and the hiss noise background just disappeared as you are listening now. I have a few experiences with good microphones, but I think this mic is really good for its quality and sounds and whatever. It's well constructed, robust, all in metal, and I think it's very good for this price too. Overall, it's a fine microphone. So for now, I don't know what else could I say, but I hope you like my small review and unboxing of it, and maybe you could explain what's going on with the hiss noise, and that's all.